Hi! I know that you're stuck to become a social media manager and don't know where to start, but still need to earn money online. So I am here to share with you the 3 high-income services in social media as a social media manager so you can focus on learning those 3 services. And to those people who don't know me yet, hi, I'm Shara Obligar. I've been doing freelancing since 2023 and achieved my first 6 digit in my 4th month of doing freelancing. And I am here to share with you guys my journey, my experience, and my knowledge in social media. And these services that I'm going to tell you are those services that I know that most business owners really need badly. That's why you can focus on learning those 3 first before the other services that you can offer in the social media. So the first high income service, the content planning and scheduling. So in content planning, that includes content ideas strategically. So make sure that you know how to create content ideas. Sa content ideas and creating, you need to have the content idea, which is the text on screen, because in content idea, we have different types of content type. Content type can be B-roll. When it comes to B-roll, you need the trending audio and the text on screen. So for example, this video right now is trending. So I'm gonna use the trending audio and I'm also gonna use the same vibe of the text on screen, but I'm going to change it and align it to my client's branding or to my client's industry. So those kind of content type is B-roll with trending audio. Then we also have content type na talking head, lip sync, dancing, voice over, and we also have the carousel and static post. So, in creating content ideas, kailangan ma-figure out nyo what content type it is, ano yung gusto mong gawin para sa kanila that is very working sa account nila. And in order for you to do that, you need to check the analytics ng account ng client na yon. Kasi sa content planning, it is a tricky part dahil nga you're going to strategize content ideas for them. And yes, I want you to prioritize learning that kasi in-demand yan ngayon. At definitely, a lot of business owner kailangan ng someone to do that for them. So make sure that you offer that. And tools you need to have in order for you to offer that is the project management tool. And I am using Notion. And if you want to schedule naman, as I am using Metricool. And you know why it is in demand? It is because there's a lot of client don't know what to post. Hindi nila alam kung ano yung mga dapat i-post at dapat malaman ng audience nila with their business. So they are just posting because they want to post it. But ang kailangan kasi as a social media manager is we are posting content because their target audience need to know those kind of content or those kind of details that you put on their content. And if you are a beginner, you don't need to worry because this is really for you. I would suggest para ma-master mo yung content planning or content ideation or strategizing is practice it on your Instagram or pwede ka mag-offer ng pro bono, which is you're going to offer free services to those business owner that you want to target. Then, pagpraktisan mo yon. But make sure na sasabihin mo sa kanila na beginner ka and reason why you are offering services for free, it is because you are new on this industry. And alam mo ba, ang daming papayag sa'yo. Because it is free. But make sure you are a trustable person. That's why I want you to also create your own account sa social media. Because iba talaga kapag may sarili kang account sa social media. Doon ka makakapag-build ng trust at saka ng authority that you are a social media manager who they can trust even though nasa ibang panig ka ng mundo or you are in different country. And second, high-income services na in-demand ngayon is engagement and community building. A lot of business owner neglecting to engage sa kanilang target audience. And this is very important. Alam niyo yun kung bakit? It is because yung trust is magmumula yan kapag nakipag-engage ka sa mga people. So, for example, hindi ako nagre-reply sa mga comment nyo. Hindi ako nagla-live or hindi ako nagpapakita sa inyo dito sa YouTube. So, pagkakatiwalaan niyo ba ako or bibili ba kayo sa akin if I have something to offer sa inyo? Di ba hindi? Kasi hindi niyo ako masyadong kilala, hindi niyo ako masyadong nakikita, or hindi niyo ako masyadong nakakausap. And for the business to grow, kailangan nag-engage yan. Kailangan nagre-reply yan sa mga messages, sa mga comment. That's why business owner can't do that because they don't have time. Kaya nga si social media manager yung gumagawa nun. That's where you will come in. Kaya offer engagement and community building. It is also part of the services that you can offer as a social media manager. And I want you to prioritize learning that because it is in demand. And alam mo ba, that's where I start earning more because hindi siya masyadong time-consuming. 1 hour per day is enough for you to engage for one client. So if you want to work 8 hours per day, definitely you need 8 clients. And magkano mo siya i-offer? Let's say, ma-offer mo siya ng $100. That's $800 a month. And for you to offer this, you don't need any tools. You just need the login of your client, the Instagram if you are engaging sa Instagram, or sa TikTok if you are just engaging sa TikTok. So, you don't need to pay for any tools. Unlike sa content planning, kailangan mo pa magbayad ng project management tool, kailangan mo pa magbayad ng scheduling tools, which is very pricey din. Kasi si Notion, binayaran ko siya ng 8,000 pesos per year. Tapos si Metrical is $22 per month. Medyo pricey din siya. And kailangan kapag magpa-price kayo is nakasama na yung mga tools na yon sa pricing nyo. Huwag nyo yan always kakalimutan. And very in demand and high income is content creation. A lot of business owners don't know how to edit content. And there are some business owners that they don't know how to edit content, but it's time-consuming for them. Kaya, they are looking for someone to edit content, and they are looking for someone to do that for them. So, if you know how to edit content, to create content, make sure na i-offer mo siya in a right way. So, in a right way to the point that you can offer it in a project basis. Wag hourly, girl! Kung mag-edit ka ng content, i-project base mo siya. For example, if you want to edit content ng one reel, you can offer that 500 to 800 pesos kung basic editing lang siya. Pero kung mga graphic, depende naman sa'yo kung ilang graphic or carousel or photos that you want to edit for them. So, pwede mo din siyang presyohan. So, diba, kung gusto nilang mag-edit ng 10 reel, tapos i-offer mo siya ng, let's say, 700 pesos, that's 7,000 already, di ba? And the tools that you need for you to offer that, it's either Canva, CapCut. Basic editing sa social media is fine. Si Canva, worth 2,500 per year. Year na yun, ha? Si CapCut naman is binayaran ko siya ng 3,111 per year din. So, mas mura kasi kapag annual. Kaya, if you are planning to become a social media manager or enter in freelancing, make sure that you are consistent and seryoso ka talaga. Kasi, mas mamumura ka kapag you buy and you avail the platform or the tools that you are using in an annual basis kesa sa mga monthly basis. Pero okay naman kung naka-credit card ka, diba? Shala ka dyan. And those are the 3 services that you can offer first para matutunan mo siya agad kasi those are the in-demand services na kailangan ng mga business owners right now. Even me, social media manager, kailangan ko din talaga ng someone to help me to edit content. Kaya, if you guys want to learn more about social media, just let me know in the comment section. And again, you don't need to offer everything just to get client. You just need to focus on one services for you to get a client faster. And feel free to watch this playlist right here for you to know the strategies that I am using as social media manager at dyan mo din malalaman on how you will offer it. See you!